Four more Indian nationals are expected to be deported from Singapore tonight over their involvement in the Little India riot. They're amongst a group of 7 who were previously charged in court but subsequently had their charges withdrawn. Police say they have had full access to consular assistance. The 4 join 53 others who have already been repatriated.
A total of 57 foreign workers in Singapore will be repatriated as a consequence of their involvement in the Little India riot on December 8th. Of the 57, the Committee of Inquiry looking into the incident has spoken to 20 of them. The last 4 to be repatriated received stern police warnings along with immigration removal orders and will not be allowed to enter Singapore again. Stern warnings are given to those who may have committed offences in lieu of prosecution. Now, this is normally done on a case-by-case basis where, for example, there may not be enough evidence to convict someone.
It's not uncommon that police give warnings. But because the person who received the warning, in this case, are foreigners, right? So they are then deemed as undesirable immigrants in our country. And then there are powers that the state has to proclaim someone a prohibited immigrant and then to remove him from the country.
Police stressed that there's no need for a trial for those deemed undesirable, since no criminal charges are being brought before them in court. Authorities decide whether to charge, deport or issue warnings and advisories based on the degree of offences committed based on evidence. In the 3 years leading to 2013, an average of 13,000 foreigners have been repatriated annually under the Immigration Act. While 4 of the 7 foreign workers involved in the riot who had charges dropped against them will be deported, the other 3 will be given police advisories which will be served on December 22nd. Some 200 workers in total will get the advisories reminding them to comply with Singapore laws, with their employers as witnesses, and no further action will be taken against them. The workers come from over 150 companies spanning industries like the construction, trade and marine sectors.